Okay, so to find that range, we take the highest number, which is what, everyone? 26, and we subtract the lowest number from it. What's the lowest number?
2.
So what's my range, everyone?
24.
All right, let's go do one more example, and then we're going to do an activity. So I'm going to have to go to another page. I'm going to still label it MMR, like we're taking shots, vaccines. All right, here are our numbers. Example 3. 52, 72, 96, 21, 58, 40, 75. Okay, everyone, find the mean. You may do it with the person you are sitting with. Go. All right, guys, help me out. What do I do to find the mean? What's the first step?
Add up all the numbers.
What do you get when you add up all these numbers, everyone?
414.
Yep. And then what do you have to do after you add up all the numbers?
Divide by 7.
Divide by 7, because that's the number of numbers I added together. So when we divide 414 by 7, you're going to get a pretty long decimal. You need a round to only have one number after your decimal, nearest tenth. So what's my answer going to be?
59.1.
59.1. Because it's 59.14. That 4 tells the 1 to stay the same. Rounding. It's going to get us, right, guys? Be careful with your rounding. Questions on mean at all? Okay. Order your numbers from least to greatest now. Okay, guys, help me out. What comes first? 21. What comes next? Next. Next. 58. Next. 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 All right, and there we go. Okay, find the median. Check with your partner, see if you agree. All right, guys, what's the median? 58 is in the middle. I have 3 below. I have 3 above. My median is 58. Is there any questions on that? Do the mode with your partner. Go. What's my mode, everyone?
No mode.
There is no mode. Very good. No numbers appear more than once, therefore there is no mode. Range. Do the range for me. Go. How do I find the range, everyone? Well, what do I do, everyone? 96 minus 21, largest number minus the smallest number. What's 96 minus 21? So your range is 75. Questions so far? Okay, I now want to find the IQR. Do that with your partner, please. Go. Okay. How do I find the IQR? What do I have to find first, Hattie?
Let's find the first
Excellent. So I have to find the first and the third quartile. And remember, guys, those are the middle numbers of the lower set and the upper set. So the lower set is the three numbers below the median, and the upper set is the three numbers above the median. So I need the middle number of each. So what's the middle number of my lower set, you guys? So 40 is my first quartile. What's the middle number of the upper set? 75. So that is my upper quartile. That is my third quartile. Does that make sense, everyone? What do I do with those two numbers? 75 minus 40 is 35. Questions? Okay, I'm going to give you one more problem before we do our activity. You and your partner will find all of the numbers and then we'll go over them. Does that make sense? Okay, so here's our numbers. Example 4. 20, 23, 18, 4, 17, 21, 15, 56. So 20, 23, 18, 4, 17, 21, 15, and 56. You and your partner find the mean, the median, the mode, the range, and the IQR, and we'll go over all the answers together. Got it? Go. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, the mean. 19. What did you tell me the answer to the mean was?
21.8.
21.8 is correct. Nicely done. Median. 8. What did you tell me the median was?
I said it was 19.
That is correct. It is 19. 11. What's the mode? There is none. 12. What's the range? 52. QR. 16. What did you tell me? He's gone. 25. What did you tell me? 6?
Yeah.
Do we all agree with 6?
Yeah.
Because I don't have the answer off the top of my head. I can figure it out.
I was off of that.
But if we do the order, we should have 4. What comes after 4, guys? 15. Then what?
17.
Next?
18.
Next?
20.
Next?
21. 23.
Okay. And then you guys told me that 19 was the median, the median. So 19's right there. And so it's the number between 15 and 16, or 15 and 17 is 16. So you're going to subtract 16 from 22, right, guys? And that gave us 6. That is correct. Questions? Okay, what if I were to ask you for an outlier? Does anyone know what the word outlier is?
Yeah.
What's an outlier? What's an outlier, Eliza?
It's a number that's like really far away from the rest of them, so this one would be 56.
Absolutely. So if I were to ask you for an outlier in this question, it would be 56 because 56 is nowhere near the rest of the data points. Does that make sense, guys?
What about 4?
4 is close enough. It depends on your numbers. But you could technically say 4, but the true outlier in this would be 56. It's whatever number is going to skew your data to not make it look proper. It's like if the whole class gets like 90% on something and then one person gets like a 50 something. that skews the data. Does that make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Whatever's going to mess with the data so it doesn't look accurate. So this would be 56. Okay. This one,
96.
we could say 96, and we would say what? I would say both 21 and 96 on that one. So you can have more than one outlier. Is that understood, guys? Just like you can have more than one mode. Questions on that?